Hello viewers, you are welcome to this video. Today I want to share with you a superb trick for finding trigonometric ratios of special angles. Yes, the special angles you know in trigonometry are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, etc. Yes, so today I want to share with you a trick that can be used to find, say, sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, cos 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees. Yes, with ease. Okay, so let's look at it this way, viewers. Look on the board. When you have something like this, so you can have, say, cosine. This is cosine. You can have cosine. Let's look at it this way. Sine. Tangent. Okay. Now, viewers, you are going to find cos 0 degrees, cos 0. Then find sine 0 degrees, and then go and find tan 0. Are you seeing it? Okay. Now look on the board, viewers. You also find the value of cos 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees. The next one is cos 45 degrees, sine 45 degrees, and then tan 45 degrees. Yes, we're going to write the values of all these with ease. And then we also have cos 60 degrees. What is cos 60 degrees? And what is sine 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees. And lastly, I want us to look at cos 90 degrees. What is cos 90 degrees? Then sine 90 degrees, and then finally tan 90 degrees. I'm going to give you a trick, and that trick will help us to write the values of all these. Okay, so let me call this one S. So this is a table. So this is a table. Okay. Now, this is how the game is. Viewers, look on the board. Look on the board. Let's look at. You see, we have something like this. You can draw an arrow this way. It's an arrow. This is another arrow. Another arrow. Something like this. Now, viewers, let's call this one 0 degrees. Let's call this 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and then 90 degrees. As I've done here, look at it. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Are you seeing it? Now, viewers, look on the board. When you are writing cos, alphabetically, cosine comes before sine. So cosine comes before sine. Yes. Now viewers, we want the cosine of 0. You cover this 0. And then look at the number of arrows on the left side of the arrow that has been covered. So how many arrows on the left side of the arrow that has been covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, viewers. Now, to get the value of cos 0, This is what we are going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root, that's how we square root of this 4 that you saw over 2. And this because square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2, 1. Okay. So let's move on to the sign. If the sign is sine 0 degrees, you have to cover the zero. Because the sign, look at it, cosine is here, sine is here. So if the sign, you are going to count the arrows that are on the right hand side of the arrow that has been covered. And clearly you can see that there is no arrow here. So the value of sine 0 will be square root of the number of arrows on the right hand side of the arrow that has been covered. So because we don't have any arrow here, it will be square root of 0 over 2. Square root of 0 over 2. So always when you count the arrows, square root of the number of arrows divided by 2. So if it is sign, you have to look at the arrows on the right hand side of the arrow that has been covered. If it is cosine, look at the number of arrows on the left hand side of the arrow that has been covered. You take square root of it and divide by 2. Now we have tan 0 degrees here. Viewers, tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Viewers, I have a video on trigonometry, and in that video I proved why tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Yes, yes. So we have this video. So those of you who have not watched that video can go and watch it. I proved other identities, yes, in trigonometry. Okay, so because tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta, if you have the value of sine 0 and the value of cos 0, to get tan 0, all that you do is that, because this one is equal to 0, square root of 0 is 0 divided by 2 is 0. So this one means that tan 0 degrees is equal to sine 0 degrees over cos 0 degrees. And sine 0 is 0 divided by 1. And this one is equal to 0. So it means that tan 0 degrees is equal to 0. Now, viewers, let's look at the next one. Cos 30. So I'm going to cover this arrow. I'm going to cover this arrow. When you cover this arrow, then cos 30 degrees will be square root of the number of arrows on the left hand side of the covered arrow. That is 1, 2, 3. So square root of 3 over 2. So you can write it. Square root of 3 over 2. What about sine 30? This is an arrow that has been covered. So if you cover this arrow, you can see that there is one arrow, only one arrow on the right hand side of the arrow that has been covered. So square root of 1 over 2. Square root of 1 over 2. And this is the same as 1 over 2. Because square root of 1 is 1. Are you seeing it? Now, having obtained sine 30 and then cos 30, we can find tan 30. So tan 30 will straight away be sine 30 over cos 30 degrees. So cos 30. Now sine 30 is 1 over 2. Divided by cos 30 is the same as so cos 30 is square root of 3 over 2. The same as times 2 over root 3. Are you seeing it? And these two cancel these two. So we are going to get 1 over root 3. And 1 over root 3, if you rationalize the numerator, will be the same as root 3 over 3. That is multiply here by root 3 and the numerator 2 by root 3. Root 3 times root 3 will be 3. That is square root of 9. That is 3. And then this one will be root 3. So we have this way. It means that tan 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 3. Okay, now let me move on to cos 45 degrees. So you have to cover this arrow. How many arrows are on the left hand side of the covered arrow? 2. So square root of 2 over 2. That will be for cos 45. So square root of 2 over 2. Now what about sine 45? Sine 45. When you cover this one, 2 arrows here. So square root of 2 over 2. So this means that tan 45 degrees will be equal to sine 45 degrees over cos 45 degrees, and this one will be square root of 2 over 2 divided by square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 over 2 divided by square root of 2 over 2, so that will be times 2 over square root of 2. This will cancel, so you have 1. So it means that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Let's look at cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees, if I've covered this arrow, then I have only one arrow on the left hand side. Are you seeing it? So that will be square root of 1 over 2. Square root of 1 over 2. And that will be 1 over 2. Square root of 1 is 1, so that will be 1 over 2. Now sin 60 means you have to cover this one and count the number of arrows on the right hand side of the covered arrow. So that will be 1, 2, 3. So square root of 3 over 2. That is sin 60. This means that tan 60 will be sin 60 degrees over cos 60 degrees. And this is equal to square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. And it's the same as times 2 over 1. 2 cancel 2, square root of 3 over 1. And that is square root of 3. So it means that tan 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3. Are you seeing it? And then lastly, viewers, cos 90 degrees. So we have to cover this one. Now, after covering this one, how many arrows are on the left hand side of the covered arrow? 0. So that will be square root of 0 over 2. And this is equal to square root of 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. Which means that cos 90 degrees is 0. Now what about sin 90 degrees? You cover this one. So square root of 4 over 2. And square root of 4 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. So it means that sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Then finally, tan 90 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees over cos 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is 1. Divided by cos 90 degrees is 0. And this one will give us infinity. Yes. So viewers, all that I have to do is to cover an arrow. Yes, the corresponding arrow. And then count the number of arrows on the left hand side. Yes, of the covered arrow. When you count the number of arrows, then you take the square root of that, divide by 2. That is for cos. And then when you finish, if you want that of sine, you count the number of arrows on the right hand side of the covered arrow, take the square root of that and divide by 2, and that is for sine. And then when you want that of tan, you use the identity tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Thank you very much for your attention.